ibe. Take a number. I don't know what Adanatamkpuruaghara. What the fuck to watch it again? Very man, get good man. Yeah, what the way? Yeah. That's me get my jitters and bike or white picker. Eh, back and if I mean you know, back a man and kill who party would eh? Would I bite you? Oh, they can share with us. Because some of us were Ụmụaka book obodo oyibo obodo ndị ọcha. Decide on meme. Mege joke ndị ọcha. O nwere nwatakịrị. Agachi nwoke na-agba ofe. Ore si mụ na-eji adịghị nwata. Biyo ogeji na act like this. Achọrọ m share ya. Ya nweta m opinion. Ya kwuru m shi. Nge pipi. Nge koboko. Nge burara. Papa ga-abụ were ha ngachi ya were ya na-enewodo vidio na etere.
Children, mana wetin happen?
Wetin happen? I just did because since they ignore me, they go, they come back. You understand? So this Sunday, he just come. When passport by the way, you just come. I dey eat in the afternoon. As usual, I call and say, come up to do as you don't come. I leave am. I finish our prayer. The mass one they do. So he can't come. He need my P21. He need my my passport. He need my. He just needs some few things. I know even talk. I know even answer. You understand?
Baby, one want to talk to you.
You understand?
Can you stop right now?
Baby, come. Baby, come.
Don't go there. Don't go there.
Baby, come. Leave
No, I can't watch something.
Come by yourself. Leave on.
Don't go there. May not go
Leave
enjoy
on.
yourself.
Leave
Don't go
on.
there because broken things they are not good there.
Leave on.
You understand? So when he can't come, we say when I give him. I don't know how I don't give him. He can't go carry my stuff for my room. They begin to
What did you want for?
P21.
What do you want you P21 for?
He said want apply for his school thing for
what?
For UCD. Say UCD.
What do you want you? You don't need your duty for your.
I don't even answer him. He can't come for room. Come tell me say make I give him the passport. You understand? So when I come tell him say, you know what? Call your dad. Your passport is already expired. Your dad, call your dad. Because your dad, Papa say make me and I no go physical. I need to make I tell him make he call him. I come and say call your dad. He can't say if I don't give him must. I can't go in the room because I know what that door where they take my things. Go upstairs, go see how he scatter my things. He can't carry the bag where they put documents. They look for that. I say why would you take my stuff without asking me? He say why are they ignorant since? Are they ignorant since? Are they ignorant since? So now you go talk my stuff today. Say I must give him. Now your own.
Did I say that?
Now your own. I just ignore it. I can't say look at leave and see you go come. You understand?
What did you guys say?
Oh, there's something coming.
Okay. Children, stop now. Children, stop.
Make him finish what they do. Leave him. He don't do the worst. So leave him make continue.
The guy can't come. The only guy can't come. So me and I come. They come seize my car key, seize my phone. For waiting. I don't say give me my phone. Now they will come. They say if I don't, I come. Me and I come. They drive the thing. I come collect my car key, collect my phone for him. Now there I come begin go. They spoil the things. They scatter the things. Say I must give. If I don't give, now there I come scatter one.
Not be your own.
Is that why you did it?
You understand? So when daddy come finish,
In my eye.
All these things that you are. Let go down.
I told you.
That's why I came here.
I break stuff.
That's why I came here. That's why I came here for you to come and talk to
break
me.
stuff. So now
All these things that you are breaking now. Okay, will you come and talk to me? Come and talk to me. Come and talk to me.
Stand with the screen for you.
don't make me go. Come on. He said no one talk.
G, move this brush here. G.
Okay, come and talk to me. Yeah,
There's videos of that.
all right. Okay, yeah.
So when the guy
You come. Come and talk to me. Come and talk to me. You come and talk to me. No. Children, don't do that. See. Come. Children, come. I promise you, come. I promise you something. I promise you something. Come.
Leave back now. Make you not go hurt yourself.
I beg, call your husband make you give back. You don't do the work. You don't do the work.
Which one you want to do? What you want to do?
You want to smash my phone.
One smart.
Can you talk now?
No, you know I love you. I know that. I've been saying this for so long. You know I love you. You know that, right? No.
No, what have you been saying for so long?
No. Guys, don't touch the TV, man.
Sean, bring my car key. Where's my car key?
Yeah, I know. Oh, Jesus.
What's up with that one, my love?
Come here. Come here.
No, don't. Don't, because that one I will not let you try. I'm not letting you.
Go and get my car key now.
I don't know where that is.
It's upstairs somewhere.
Check the camera, they don't get mine. The camera, they don't get mine. People for young ones. The camera, they don't get. If you enjoy young ones one day, the camera, they don't get. Come up with the house.
I don't know. Daddy tell us make you look for where you go. Say that you know they don't go. Come on.
Can they come today?
You don't come now. They don't go. He can't come down because I tell us when he can't come, he can't begin to take the food. I don't say you will ask. He said no. He can't begin pour juice for inside my salad. Why do?
Yeah,
For waiting.
I have a video of it.
For waiting. I don't. And many of the times just ask. He said no, but you first carry the food and the meat while you pour for ground. He just begin to who go to toilet all those rubbish.
And I'm gonna close that door for now.
Hey! Eweru me pipi echara. Kuri ha ni huzo jimba. Why you not obodo ngaba? This is your child. You para kana ge. No mama ya, no mama ye passport eh. Mama iga oge we the reason. What are the standards here? No te ori an man gonna show te ya kule o te ya. The side is your paper kitchen. Wish it say, Magino, is a Gileona. Ụmụaka na-azụ n'obodo oyibo ga-eme keke ya tabụrụ nchi. Power biko. Another thing I'm like, where is this boy's father? Where is Mono in Africa or Gilora? What are you act like this? Man, he concluded that this boy need the mental health intervention as soon as possible. Makariya would what a clear give him at the one day. Even this boy's mother, it will say, "Who and no, on her neighbor, on her uncle, you, on her one mamma, you couldn't so good. Number one, they hook an amen at this age. What the pokuchi? Pokuchi bus cannot bene, neki bene. And I don't know who she came. She got quite TV. Niagi, where were more quite a mirror. Where he maka some of us no obodo. Some of us when the Naval obodo get 1 year. Obodo doesn't mean you will raise your children to be responsible. Obodo doesn't mean you will forget where you are coming from. I will respect. No matter the anger, no matter the pain, you would who uncle you will daji. Man up here in this case. Some of us outside the country. We should not buy everything in the Nilishai. We get there for green pasture. I will order, I will values. I will respect for elders. But clearly, you work out as what and now. And another thing I give them, they can hear this thing in social media. Who uploaded it? It's clearly the mother of this child. Instead of her seeking help for her child or upload the way on social media, can you make one good? Mano Obuye, Ayini na Motema Kandana Zoom outside the country. Raise your children with your values. Raise your children near Wuchineke, Makana, Pupan Watan will Wuchineke, oh my question, Makano, oh Maran, Penny, oh Maran, the 2 wrongs don't make it right. Any woman will cost the parents more money to repair. Oh, where be she can share? It will be no, boy, I know never what I Chineke very you will move back. You will walk it. We'll move away. We'll walk it. Maka na ị nọ outside the country doesn't mean you forget who you are. Because n'ihe anyị na-ama bụ na ụmụaka anyị will always show our characters or the way we live in our house. Mama ya chekwe na share video wee mana ụmụanụ mere onwe ya expose. Were ebere m na-emere ya maka na ọkwa na-eji ndị nwata aga m ekwukwa okwu kpọkpọ polisi maka ịkpọrọ a polisi nwere ike chigbuo ya ọgwụkwọ ọ bụrụ ọgwụ bụ ya na-ekwu maka ịna-ekwe ya police violence outside the country now. Police is no longer protecting people. Some of them are actually terrible. Mana ndị be anyị na-azụ ụmụaka outside the country should please make sure that our values are hidden and imbibed in our children. Dị akwa egwu Chineke erokwu